Hello and welcome back, folks. Today we're making a popular over-rice dish that's commonly found being sold in hawker centres in countries such as Hong Kong and Singapore. Lu Rou Fan is a braised pork dish in which the meat is cooked in a rich broth until it becomes melt in the mouth tender and is served over a bowl of steaming rice. So, if you're ready to cook some Lu Rou Fan, let's go.
Heat up 1 tablespoon of oil and fry 1 chopped onion until it is browned. Remove the cooked onions from the pan and set aside. Cut 500 grams of pork belly into strips. Cook the meat in a pan without any oil until it is browned. This is rock sugar and it will help to give the sauce a nice looking sheen. Add about the equivalent of 1 tablespoon into the pan, but if you don't have rock sugar, you can substitute ordinary white sugar. Three cloves of crushed garlic. Season the meat with 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, half a teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of 5 spice powder. Add the cooked onions into the pan. Add 3 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine. Rehydrate 5 dried shitake mushrooms, cut into small pieces, and also add this into the pan. Add enough water into the pan to cover the meat and bring the mixture up to a boil. When the broth is boiling, turn down the heat to a simmer and add in 5 hard-boiled eggs. Cook for 1.5 hours without a lid, which will allow the broth to reduce and thicken slightly. Serve the Lu Rou Fan over a bed of freshly cooked rice with some green vegetables of your choice. Thanks for watching, folks. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and see you next time.